Hello, you are watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have Volvo C30 and we will be replacing cabin air filter. And as weird as it sounds, it's on the driver's side and you will need to remove the, guess what? Gas pedal. Yeah, that sounds strange, but that's what you need to do. I was gonna try to do it without removing the pedal, but seems like it might be way more difficult. So to get started, we will use 10mm socket on the impact and we'll remove two 10mm nuts on the gas pedal. So there is one and another one on top. So I removed one at the bottom, one at the top, but apparently there is one more at the top. It's hard to see, but to the right there is one more, so I'll get that removed too. Alright, so the pedal has been removed. I left the wiring in since I don't want to mess anything up in terms of calibration, so we'll keep the wires on. The next thing that we will do, we will pull this to the side and you will see that there is this cover for the filter and that wing nut. So there is that white wing nut that holds the cover, so we'll get that nut removed. Okay, so after you remove that nut, we can try pulling the cover off. It just came off easily. And then we can pull out the filter. So the amount of garbage leaves just unbelievable how much is coming out of that box. There's still lots. I will need to come up with some sort of vacuum extension to get it out. This is the filter itself. It was replaced at some point because it was installed wrong direction, but at the same time it hasn't been replaced at least, I would say, 5 years. So we'll get that all garbage out first. Okay, I got my shop vac and I have attached this, just some pump hose. It flex as well, so I will just try to make it oval shape and feed into that box to get as much garbage out as we can. Since I could feel it with my finger, there is lots. Okay, so everything is vacuumed and clean. So we are using Wix high quality filter. It's a carbon filter. So important note, there is arrows and it says airflow. So in this vehicle the airflow goes towards the cabin, so you want your arrows to be pointing backwards to the back of the vehicle. So now we will just slide in the new filter. So the filter is in, and I will leave a link in the description to the video to the filter on the Amazon. So now we will just put back in this cover and we'll use this wing nut to hold it in place. So the cover is back on, the wing nut is installed, so now we can push this upholstery back in and we can attach the pedal with those 3 nuts, 10mm nuts. Alright, so the pedal is installed and this vehicle definitely is the winner of the prize, the most ridiculous cabin air filter replacement and location. So all I have to say, what the hell, Volvo? Guys, when you engineer something, Google where the cabin air filter is. It will tell you it is in a glove box or below the glove box, not behind the gas pedal. Anyway, it's done and it will be good probably for another year or so. But when it's time to replace it next time, we know that there will be a lot of sweat in here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and do it yourself.